But now you got problems because we have
Yeah.
copies of the Torah from Jesus' time, the Dead Sea Scrolls, and it's what we have today.
Okay, I've heard from people like Sheikh Uthman that said that this scroll has contradictions and stuff.
What contradictions? No. Uthman, Kacha boy, doesn't know what he's talking about. There's a difference between contradictions, variations. Just like you have different Arabic qira'at of the Quran, they are variations. Likewise, when you copy something by hand, you're going to have variations, but the variations don't change the text or its meaning. That's why I can pick up a copy of Isaiah 53 from the Dead Sea Scrolls, written 125 years before Christ, and it agrees with a copy of Isaiah that comes 1,000 years later. And here, let me show it to you.
Okay, so there is variation that you admit that.
Oh, you're a special kind of stupid. So you admit there are variations in the Quran, the qira'at?
Come on, now you're changing the topic. I'm just asking you.
No, I mentioned that. No, dude, you honestly, you're going to make a lot of people leave Islam, and I thank God for you, because I just said, just like there are variations in the Quran that do not agree. Let me now turn it against you.
Okay, so
hold on, no, we're not going to run, because I'm going to show you.
I'm not running. I'm just asking you a question.
So, what did Uthman do to the variations of the Arabic Qurans?
He burned them.
Why? If they were uniform and not contradictory, what's their need to burn them? So you see, every time you object, you bury your religion. So think twice before you say something. Hold on. Let me show you.
Sam, before you come attacking me, how about you answer the
question? I'm not attacking you. I'm attacking the religion that made you.
The religion. How about you answer the questions that I've brought to you? You admitted that there's contradictions and variations between the Isaiahs.
That's why I can pick up a copy of Isaiah 53 from the Dead Sea Scrolls, written 125 years before Christ, and it agrees with a copy of Isaiah that comes 1,000 years later.
And the Dead Sea Scrolls.
No, I admit that your Quran is full of contradictions and variations. It's from the pit of hell. Because you see, again, you're stupid. You're not listening. If variations means contradiction, what don't you get? That means your Quran is full of contradictions. Thank you, guys. Now, guys, notice what he said. I admit, because I said variations mean contradictions. He just varied his Quran because the Quran has variations meaning contradictions. Because that's your argument, but because you're ummi, you don't follow me. Okay, now, do these read the same? Do they read the same, ummi?
Wait, I'm reading it. Give me a second.
Okay, go ahead. And these are just two of the many qira'at, let alone all the verses that are missing, which I'm going to get to because I'm going to play your game. Okay. Imam Hafs was a kadhab according to Muslims and warsh. What happened to this word huwa? Where'd it go? It went bye-bye? It went bye-bye? So you just admit your Quran has contradiction, so bury it. See, this is what happens when you don't listen.
Where's the source for this?
It comes from your Muslims who print the Arabic editions of the qira'at.
Okay. So obviously,
no. I'm not done yet.
Yeah. So I know about the qira'at and
okay,
variations and stuff like that.
No, hold on. Is it qala or is it qul?
No. There are variations.
But you said variations means contradictions. That's what
I never said
yes,
that.
You did.
I said
you
that.
Said,
I
yes,
said according to Uthman and what I've heard
Abu
from
Bakr, I'm going to send you out of here. Yes, you did.
God.
You said I said that there are contradictions, variations, and you're a liar. I said no. Variations do not make contradictions. So yes, you did accuse me that if I admit there are variations, there are contradictions.
No. So let me clarify that. I didn't say that. And if you thought I said that, then no.
We got you recorded. You said.
So
you said you, Sam, admit.
Oh my God. Can I speak?
Okay. Tell me why one says qala, the other says qul.
Okay. Let me speak. Okay. So there are variations.
Okay, but just answer the question. Why is it qala and qul? Which one did Allah say?
Because of different dialects. The qira'at are different dialects.
No, they're not dialects because it's in the Quraysh dialect, according to Sahih Bukhari, volume 6, number 510. The Quran is in the Quraysh, and Uthman said, when you write it in the Qurayshi dialect. What are you talking about? You lying to me again? Okay. Now, why is it here naqfir and here it's yukhfar?
Okay, so let me answer this again, okay?
Can you answer that? Just tell me why. Not give me the script. I know there are variations, so I'm asking. So which one?
Can you explain the variations in the Bible then?
I don't care. You said my Bible's corrupt, so I want you to know. say your Quran is corrupt and stop being a Muslim and become atheist. Okay, so which is it in chapter 2, verse 259? Is it Nun Shizhuha? My English. Or Nun Shiruha? Which is it?
So from the Muslim understanding, it's both of them.
So Allah said both in eternity?
The qira'at, they add to the meaning of the Quran, so both of them are valid meanings and interpretations.
Where does the Quran say that? Where did the Quran say it? That all of these are valid? Because that's something your scholar said 300 years after your prophet died. So you want me to go with what a scholar said? Where did your God, Allah, say that in the Quran? Oh, there are going to be many variations. They're all valid.
It doesn't say that in the Quran now.
Say it again. I want everyone to hear you.
It doesn't say that.
Oh, is it now qatala or qutila? Which is it? Is it sahrani or sahrani? And I'm not even showing you the missing verses and missing surahs. Okay.
Yeah. So again, this I don't know about, but from what I've heard, and to be fair, when I've asked questions about this, I was on a stream with I think Jay and Kai or Knights or something, Jay and Dai or something like that. You know them?
Jai Apologetics. Yeah, I know him. Yeah.
And then they were talking about this, and they probably gave me a better answer than most of the scholars and stuff, but about the variations and the qira'at and the ahruf. So I'm not gonna defend it because it doesn't make sense to me. Also.
So, buddy, why don't you go back and ask your scholar again? Come back, because you're not ready, man. Because you made so many mistakes in these minutes that I had to correct you. Because you started already by attacking, saying the Old Testament's corrupt, and you started now a war instead of coming and trying to explain your religion. So you don't know much about your religion. I give you credit for trying to defend it, but you shouldn't defend it because you don't know, and you know what it is. If Islam is true, you need to fear Allah and not speak in ignorance, because Allah is going to judge you if Allah is real. So you should be afraid.